No cream, no eggs, no sugar. This chocolate mousse is made from just two things, and one of them is plain water. Seriously. Here's everything: dark chocolate and water. That's it. I know. Water and chocolate are supposed to be a total disaster together. Here's everything. Chop it fine so it melts fast and even. A good 70% dark is all you want. Nothing else added, nothing hidden. Now the scary part. Pour the water straight in. Here goes nothing. Every rule says this is exactly how you wreck chocolate. Give me 10 seconds. Low heat, keep it moving, and it goes glossy and smooth. No seizing, no splitting. This already shouldn't be happening. Here's the whole trick. Set it over ice and whisk. Cold plus air turns this liquid into something completely different. Watch. And there it is. It thickens, it lightens, it holds a peak. That's real mousse, from chocolate and water. That's genuinely all. Stop the instant it holds. Over whip and it turns grainy. Then take a warm spoon and roll one big glossy scoop. Look at that texture. Airy, rich, pure chocolate with no dairy to mute it. One taste and you won't believe it's two ingredients. Chocolate, water, mousse. That's the whole recipe. And now you kind of have recipe. And now you kind of have to make it, just to prove it's real.